Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by prepping materials and making a light adhesive mixture so notes stay sticky but removable. You cut your paper to the exact note size, 3x3 is standard. Then mix PVA with a little water or dilute a glue stick with 30% water to lower tack. Once mixed, test on scrap paper to confirm repositionability. You want adhesion that holds but peels. Make sure to work near a flat tray so the glue edge sets evenly and won't soak through. You now assemble the pad. Stack 20-50 sheets squarely and clamp the top edge to prevent shifting. Using a foam brush or small roller, apply a thin, even strip of your diluted adhesive across the top edge. Less is better. You're creating a hinge, not a glued block. Once applied, remove air bubbles and add a weight or binder clips. Let it set for 15 to 30 minutes. Then flip and repeat a second thin coat, so the edge cures with consistent tack and durability. You finish by trimming any uneven edges and allowing the adhesive to cure fully for 12 to 24 hours for best performance. You test multiple sheets by peeling at a shallow angle. If they stick too hard, lightly sand the adhesive edge or dilute your next batch slightly more. If sheets tear, reduce glue concentration and apply thinner coats. If they fall off, add a slightly stronger second coat. Once satisfied, label stacks and store flat. Your homemade sticky notes are ready for daily use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.